Here's how to disable HDR video playback in Instagram on iPhone and Android. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can disable HDR video playback in your Instagram app for both Android and iPhone devices. So make sure you stick around till the end to exactly know what to do. So in order to turn off or disable HDR video playback, you basically need to go to Instagram. And now you basically need to go to your profile, and you just gotta press on your profile picture on the corner. Once you're inside your profile, just basically press on these three horizontal lines on the top corner. Once you press on it, just basically scroll down a bit and till the bottom, you'll find your app and media, and you'll see a second last setting called media quality. So basically you gotta press on that. Once you do this, you'll see three options: use less cellular data, upload at highest quality, and you'll see disable display of HDR media. So you basically need to open and turn this option on, and there you go. You're basically disabled HDR video playback in Instagram. So this method works for both iPhone and Android. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can disable HDR video playback in your Instagram. So I hope this video actually helps you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.